And from here, we move on to the next item, which we traditionally call as a Mallari. So the composition of a Mallari is basically the procession that happens every day morning. If you see in our Hindu temple, generally in the morning, the god goes to a sleeping place, and in the morning they are awakened, and then they are given some refreshments in their abode, and then they are taken in a palanquin up to their abode where they stay, and they give out darshan, or they give out their appearance and bless people or converse with them or discuss with them their issues and meet them through the day. So this Mallari is actually a procession song. And if you hear the beats of the Mallari with a little bit of particular focus, you will actually feel it like the palanquin moving. So that's how this composition is set. Even though this song, because we are doing a recorded music, we're using it for the dances, but traditionally these are called as the small mela, the chinna mela we call it, which is the small mridangam and the small instruments which are small in size compared to the bigger ones. If you've been to the Indian weddings, you will see the big mela. We call it as in the big mela and the nadaswaram, which is a big trumpet-like thing which is blown traditionally. So this Mallari is traditionally used or performed with the Periya Mela, as we say, or the big instruments. However, today we would like to give you a taste of how a procession happens and how the god is welcomed every day in the morning. And now on to our Nanda Gokula as well. So Mallari now presented by our seniors batch. So we have on stage Dear Sri Rajasekharan, Sai Sunena Ramagani, Rujita Sachin Bhosle, and Ananya Divakar. Mallari.
Nam